Here at Creator Lab, we believe in the power of creativity, collaboration, and hands-on learning. It's a place where students from all disciplines come together to turn their ideas into reality. Our state-of-the-art facilities offer a wide range of tools and equipment from 3D printers to laser cutters, allowing students to bring their ideas to life. Whether you're interested in electronics, woodworking, paper crafting, sewing and textiles, or robotics, Creator Lab has everything you need to explore and innovate. But Creator Lab is more than just a makerspace. It's a community. Our staff and mentors are here to support you every step of the way, whether you're an experienced maker or just getting started. We offer workshops, training sessions, and events to help you develop new skills and connect with fellow makers. Creator Lab is here to help you succeed. So come join us at Creator Lab, where innovation knows no bounds.